Hey everyone, welcome back to Shift Path, the place where auto lovers meet innovation. Today, we're diving into something that's both familiar and strangely foreign. It's the all-new 2026 Subaru Outback, and yes, it's bigger, boxier, and more SUV than ever before. If you're a die-hard subby fan, this one might have you raising your eyebrows. Because let's be honest, at first glance, this doesn't even look like an Outback. When we first saw photos of the 2026 Outback and asked editors to name it, only 1 out of 6 guessed it right. The rest thought it was the Forester, the Ascent, anything but the Outback. That's how dramatically different this 7th generation model looks. So what's Subaru thinking? According to them, the market's moving away from wagon-like designs. And their customers? They apparently care more about capability than styling. That's a bold bet, especially when you're talking about a car as iconic as the Outback. But once you get past the shock factor, the changes start to make sense. The new Outback is only slightly larger, about half an inch wider, nearly 2 inches taller, and 1.6 inches longer. But it looks way more SUV than wagon. The nose is more upright. The headlights are split. And if you opt for the wilderness trim, you'll get even bolder looks. Think chunky matte cladding, copper-colored accents, and a massive Subaru across the grille. Around the sides, Subaru has ditched the curvy roofline for a squared-off silhouette, with thick C and D pillars that remind us of old-school Foresters. The signature roof rails are still there, but fold-away crossbars gone. Turns out, most people didn't even use them. And around back, a wider, more upright tailgate with a sleek light bar, more cladding, and Subaru spelled across the bumper. This thing looks ready to hit the trails and pull up to a weekend tailgate, and that's no accident. Inside, Subaru took a very deliberate approach. They call it party up top, business down below. Up top, it's all about modern design and comfort. The new infotainment screen is a massive 12.1 inches with wireless phone mirroring and a cleaner, easier-to-use layout. Right in front of the driver is a 12.3-inch digital cluster with customizable layouts, including one for EyeSight, Subaru's upgraded hands-free driver assistance system. Below the waist, it's all rugged and practical. HVAC buttons are back, thank you Subaru, and you'll find controls for stop/start, cameras, traction, and more right next to the shifter. Even the seats are new. Subaru calls them low-fatigue seats, with StarTex faux leather standard and Nappa available on premium trims. But where the 2026 Outback really shines is in the details, the kind Subaru fans obsess over. The center console now has more useful cup holders. The doors can hold 32-ounce bottles. There's a wireless charging pad, USB-A and USB-C ports, and even a cable clip to keep things tidy. And the cargo area? It's smarter than ever. You now get 34.6 cubic feet of space behind the second row, 2 more than before, thanks to the taller roof and wider floor. But the real star is the new washable cargo cover made from recycled materials. It can cover gear, act as a divider, work like a hammock, stop your dog from jumping out, or even protect your bumper while you sit on it. Subaru even added Easter eggs. In the hatch jamb, there's a label showing how many dogs fit back there. And under the spoiler, there are markers for where to mount rooftop tents. Yes, Subaru knows exactly who they're talking to. So how does it perform? Mechanically, the 2026 Outback sticks to what works. Base models get a 2.5-liter flat-4 with 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a CVT and, of course, symmetrical all-wheel drive. If you want more muscle, the XT and Wilderness trims come with the 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4, now pushing 260 horses and 277 pound-feet of torque. But here's where it gets interesting. Subaru upgraded the center differential for faster response and better off-road power delivery. Plus, they've enhanced X mode for low-grip conditions. In the Wilderness trim, you get extra settings for snow/dirt and deep snow/mud. Ground clearance is still a healthy 8.7 inches on most models, and now, for the first time, you can get 19-inch wheels. Wilderness models? They go even further, 9.5 inches of clearance, chunky Bridgestone all-terrain tires, and a suspension system based on the Skyhook theory. What does that mean? Think of the car as if it's hanging from an invisible hook in the sky. The tires and suspension do all the reacting to the terrain, while the body stays calm and stable, making off-road driving less jarring. The new suspension helps reduce the seesawing we saw in the previous Outback Wilderness. It also boasts improved off-road angles, 20 degrees for approach, 21.2 for breakover, and 22.5 for departure. These numbers put it squarely in the light off-roading camp, but still impressive for a vehicle with daily driver comfort. And here's the headline feature, the new hands-free EyeSight system. Available on higher trims, it works at speeds up to 85 miles per hour on mapped highways. With 3 forward-facing cameras and radar sensors, the system can even pull the car over, activate hazards, and contact emergency services if the driver becomes unresponsive. Lower trims still get EyeSight, with features like adaptive cruise, lane centering, and pre-collision braking, all standard. So when can you get one? Subaru says the 2026 Outback will land in dealerships in early 2026. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but we expect a slight bump over current models, which start around $30,000. Bottom line. The 2026 Subaru Outback is stepping boldly into SUV territory, and while it may ruffle a few feathers, it's still very much an Outback under the skin. It's tougher, smarter, more capable, and packed with the kinds of clever touches Subaru fans geek out over. Will it win over the purists? Time will tell. But one thing's for sure, it's gonna be a conversation starter. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We've got more in-depth car reviews and first looks dropping every week, right here on Shift Path. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.